How to hide likes on Instagram posts. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can actually hide like counts on your Instagram posts. So as you can see, guys, if I show you down here, it's showing me 7 likes, it's showing me 17 likes, it's showing me 1 like. So if I want to hide my likes on Instagram, all I have to do is just go ahead and click on the 3 lines showing above my profile. When you do that, just click on that. So when you click on that, click on where it says settings and privacy, guys. So when you click on settings and privacy, guys, I want you to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to be seeing, if you're using the updated Instagram, guys, you're going to be seeing where it says like and share count. So if you are not seeing this, guys, so just go ahead and look for privacy, and you're going to be seeing the like and share count. In this case, we are using the updated version of Instagram, so let's go ahead and click on where it says like and share counts. So when you do that, just go ahead and toggle this on. So when you toggle this on, guys, as you can see, Instagram, the number of your likes on posts and reels, other accounts will be hidden. You can hide the number of your likes on your own post and reels by going to advanced settings before sharing. So what Instagram is saying is that you can actually do that before actually sharing your post. But for our case here, guys, just come back to the post you want to hide likes. Click on the 3 lines showing above the post. And when you do that, guys, just go ahead and click on where it says hide likes. So as you can see, we've hidden our likes, so it's not going to be showing our like count. We're hiding our like. So just to give you an example, guys, let's just go ahead and do this for this video as well. Click on where it says hide likes, and then let's switch our accounts to this. So when you switch the account, let's go ahead and search for the name of our account. So when we search for the name of our account, as you can see, guys, if I should click this post, it's not going to be showing me the like count here. As you can see, guys, it's not going to be showing me the like count. It's not showing me the like count here on this post, but this post that we did not hide our like counts. As you can see, it's showing 110 likes. So this is how you can actually hide your likes on Instagram. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.